Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos like AI Grow. So in here, what you need to do is prepare your clips, and there are 5 things that you should do to edit your videos like AI Grow. The first one is animated backgrounds, second one's effects and transition, subtitles, animations, and the last one is sound effects. So for the first one in here, you need to use animated background. So you can just use, here I'm using CapCut to edit the video. Here on the stock materials, you can just find animated backgrounds and then just choose the animated backgrounds that you want for your videos. For example, here I'm going to use, okay, let's try to use this ones right here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can click on the plus icon and then let's move the video on the top layer. Now I'm going to remove the background. Okay, so now the background is removed. Now I'm going to adjust the position and also the duration here. Let's zoom in the let's zoom in the background like this. So now the video will look like this. And next, let's move on to the effects and transition. So for the transition and effect, you can choose which one that you want to use. Here I'm going to split the video from here, for example, and I'm going to enable the auto removal from this video. If you want to, you can also use the frame, like a mobile frame. Mobile phone in here. And find the frame that you want. Okay, let's use this one. You can adjust the duration and also the position of the frame. I'm going to put it in here, and then let's go to a masking on the video. Here I'm going to use the rectangle one, and I'm going to make it fit into the mobile frame. You can always adjust the corner here. Okay, let's go to the basic and can move the video. And you can adjust the masking again if it's not fit. And then here you can change or add transitions in here to how you like it. For example, you can make it cool. You can use glare, for example, for the transition. Add it into the clip, and here you can also add tags in here beside the frame. You can choose the font that you want and add animations into the tags. For example, in here I'm going to find some cool animations. This one, let's try the bounce left. Okay, this is how you can add if the video has subtitles, you can use captions in here, and then just use the auto caption to generate the captions. And for the animation, you can also add animation for the tags and also animation for the video if you want to. For example, I'm going to add fade out animations into the clip. You can just click on fade out, and you can also use zoom in to have that dramatic effect. Okay, so if you want to, for example, when the text appear, you can add sound effects. Here you can find it on the audio sound effects, and here I'm going to add some pop-up sound effects to match with the text. Okay, let's use this one for example. Let's see if it match. Okay, so that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.